Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 447, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, Frederick, Montgomery, and Prince George's, and the following counties in Virginia, Arlington, Fairfax, and Loudoun, and the following independent cities in Virginia, Alexandria, Fairfax, and Falls Church, and the following Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, and Eastern Bay. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. for southwestern Frederick County in north-central Maryland and northern Loudoun counties in northern Virginia. At 3:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Braddock Heights or over Harry Grove Stadium, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees